How to assemble single-sided gondola shelving. In this video, we are setting up a single-sided starter bay in Hammertone grey finish at 1530 mm high. Place the two upright posts apart from each other. Clip the 150 mm high pegboard backing into the two upright posts at the bottom. Then simply place the base shelf on by inserting it into the U-shaped runners on the posts. Now clip the 300 mm high pegboard backings into the upright posts one by one. Use a rubber hammer where necessary, to ensure backings are clipped in properly. Place the top cap across the posts. And then cover with rubber caps. Finally, use a leveler tool to adjust the adjustable feet to ensure the shelving is level.